How to change the ringtone for a specific contact on your iPhone 8 Plus. This is a great feature if you want to know who's calling without even looking at your phone. First, open the Phone app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Now, tap the Contacts tab at the bottom of the screen. Find and tap the contact whose ringtone you want to change. Next, tap Edit in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you see the ringtone option, then tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the ringtones available on your iPhone. Select the ringtone you want to assign to this contact. If you've already added a custom ringtone to your iPhone, it will also appear in this list, and you can select it just like any other ringtone. After choosing the ringtone, tap Done in the top right corner. Then tap Done again to save the changes. From now on, whenever this person calls you, your iPhone 8 Plus will play the ringtone you selected instead of the default one. So, this is how to change the ringtone for a specific person on your iPhone 8 Plus and personalize incoming calls for your important contacts. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.